Polygon Price Analysis, Bullish Pattern may bring directional rally in Matic. We'll check out this article by CoinGate, as well as doing our own technical analysis and price prediction at the end of the video, so you guys do not want to miss out. Welcome back. Moneybags Rico here, bringing you financial awareness to a crypto space changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said, not the way, let's go ahead and jump right in. We got Polygon, aka Matic, is one of the top 100 cryptocurrencies that are green in the last 24 hours as Bitcoin again dropped below 20K. The price recently triggered an inverted head and shoulder pattern, suggesting buyers are ready for another leg up. But how far will the expected rally go? So that's something that we got to keep in mind. How far can this really go up? And they're speculating up to 32% inverted head and shoulder pattern, which could bring 32% recovery opportunity. A daily candle closing below the neckline support would invalidate the bullish pattern. We also have Polygon, aka Matic, up 77% as far as volume goes. We're going to check out this key support when we do the price prediction in just a bit. And we'll also talk about the 75 cents where they think it can go up to. Okay, we got if the coin buyers manage to sustain above the neckline, flip support, the sustained buying should lead 32% higher to around 75 cents. Okay, as we can look over here on Crypto Bubbles, we can see that Polygon, we are down on the year for 38%, but overall Polygon is doing pretty good right now. So there is some bullish momentum going on. I have this, go ahead and click 24-hour volume, and that'll bring the highest volume up to the top, and that's the way I like to look at things. So with that being said, let's go ahead and continue. We got Polygon, like I said, up basically across the board. We just need that 38%. Now going over to CoinMarketCap, we're able to see the support that they're talking about, and it's a legit support because we can see that it was something that we did in the past in this area before we ramped up to those all-time highs, right? So we can see that the support of that 31 cents, this is a reality. This is something that's going on. I do believe that we would have to break out above this 61 cents mark. We're at 57.79. We would have to break out above this 61 cents mark before it would be like full-blown momentum going on. And the fact is that this was a support before. We could see it right here, that 61.63, and we can look that we try to hold the support when the price broke down. We tried because we had this support before, but we fell through, and then that support, like always, flips and then became a resistance, and it did it twice. If we look, it knocked on the door 2 times. Let's go ahead and zoom in. It knocked on the door 2 times right there. So we lost the support, became resistance. So now it's time for it to flip. It was a support, it was a resistance. Now it needs to become a support again. So that's just how it's going to go. We're going to have to see that break and that design that we tend to draw, moving up, back down, making a higher low, and moving upwards, which is something that, in all honesty, we can see. Of course, it's not financial advice. If we look at that 31 cents mark and moving forward, we do see Matic technically making higher lows right there. So we can see that happening when we zoom in. So we have that right there as support. This is a higher low and a continuation to higher low. So maybe we could have a channel right here. If we break above this, and hold that support, that would hold truth of that head and shoulders pattern, and basically making higher lows. That's just another way to look at it. Once we find a support, making higher lows, break through a prior resistance, and then making a higher low above that, making that a support. Where could we see ourselves going next? Well, the next spot, of course, would be that psychological barrier right here at that 99 cents mark. And we can see that that's true because, well, we got history repeats itself. So we have right around that 99 cents mark where we had support before, and obviously some resistance before we went to those all-time highs. So if you guys got something from the video, be sure to smash the like button, subscribe, make sure the bell notification is lit. If you're part of the Matic community, go ahead and share this video throughout social media and whatnot, and continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.